Just like that, technology advances, reshaping the landscape of work. It continues to evolve at a rapid pace, making massive strides in several industries. One area where technology has made its mark is artificial intelligence. This subtle, unseen force is silently evolving, progressively seeping into our everyday lives. It has become an integral part of several industries, helping to streamline processes and increase efficiency. Picture this scenario. Artificial intelligence is gaining momentum like a giant wave that's about to hit the shore. It's estimated that by the year 2030, around 20% of occupations around the globe could be automated. This percentage translates to 1 in 5 jobs. Jobs that once seemed secure may soon be replaced by machines. That equates to 1 in. As the curtain of uncertainty descends, it's crucial to remember that technological advancement is not a one-way street to joblessness. Yes, artificial intelligence is predicted to automate around 20% of occupations by 2030. But here's the twist. It's also forecasted to create new jobs, often in areas we can't even predict yet. Let's take a step back and analyze this. With every major technological shift in history, there was initial fear, followed by adaptation and growth. The Industrial Revolution, the advent of the internet, and now AI. Each of these shifts initially sparked concerns about job loss. However, over time, they all led to the creation of new industries and job opportunities that were previously unimaginable. As AI continues to evolve, it's not just eliminating jobs but transforming them, creating a need for new skills and roles. In fact, a recent report by the World Economic Forum suggests that by 2025, AI and automation will create 12 million more jobs than it will destroy. So, as the old adage goes, when one door closes, another opens. The key is to adapt, evolve, and embrace this wave of change. After all, it's not the strongest species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. As we march towards the future, it becomes clear that the key to survival in this ever-evolving job market is not strength, nor intelligence, but adaptability. The ability to embrace change, to learn and unlearn, and to innovate and reimagine our roles in this new AI-driven world will be paramount. AI is not just a job destroyer, but a job transformer. It has the potential to eliminate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of our work. It can help us unlock new levels of productivity and innovation, enabling us to create new products, services, and industries that we can't even imagine today. The challenge lies in our ability to adapt and innovate. We need to be proactive in developing new skills and capabilities, in understanding the implications of AI and automation for our work, and in reimagining our roles in this new landscape. The future of work is not a dystopian landscape of jobless despair, but a vibrant ecosystem of opportunity driven by AI and human creativity. As we embrace this change, we can not only survive but thrive in this new era. So let's adapt, innovate, and embrace the future. After all, it's not the strongest species that survives, but the most adaptable. In this brave new world, AI is not the enemy, but a powerful ally that can help us reshape the future of work. It's not a job killer, it's a change agent, a catalyst for transformation and innovation. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our capabilities and enabling us to do more, to do better, to reach new heights of creativity and productivity. The key to thriving in this new era is not to resist change, but to embrace it, to stay ahead of the curve, to continuously learn and grow, to seize the opportunities that AI and automation bring. We need to be proactive, not reactive. We need to be the drivers of change, not the victims. We need to embrace the future, and the future will embrace us. It's not about surviving in the AI-driven world, but about thriving in it. It's about turning challenges into opportunities, threats into advantages. It's about leveraging the power of AI to create a better, more prosperous, more inclusive future for all. So let's embrace the future. Let's embrace the change. After all, the future is not something to fear, but something to shape. And in this AI-driven future, the only limit is our imagination.